You look at the numbers, 52% of Latinos in Silicon Valley say during the pandemic, technology was a barrier when it came to their children participating in school. That's compared to 36% of non-Latinos.
Wow. So as you can see, there's a digital divide. It's real. And for the past 4 years, the California Emerging Technology Fund has worked with the city of San Jose to really try to close that gap, particularly when we talk about internet access. You know, you think because you have it right there in front of you, everybody does. They don't. So joining us to talk more about the digital divide is San Jose Digital Inclusion Partnership Director, Charlene Tatis. Welcome, Charlene. First off, tell us why it's so important to make sure everybody has equal access to the internet.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Great being with you this morning. Well, access to internet gives access to our 21st century economy and giving an opportunity for families to compete and to give opportunities to their children to go to college and have access to all of the benefits that we take advantage of every day, just like the access I have here today to be able to talk to all of you this morning.
It really was one of the biggest things that stuck out to me during the pandemic, all the families in need of internet access just so their kids could handle homeschooling and parents could work from home. So it's surprising to me to see some of these numbers. I think it was 95,000 people with no internet access in a city like San Jose, which is in the heart of Silicon Valley. So what are some of the things happening in order to close that gap, close the digital divide?
Yes, thank you. Well, since 2020, the San Jose Digital Inclusion Partnership, in partnership with the California Emerging Technology Fund, we have been able to give families access to the internet, broadband internet at home, along with the device and digital literacy training opportunities to be able to compete in the economy and give their children opportunities and really, hopefully see those numbers change and that more students have access to the technology. So in the last 3 years, we've connected nearly 6,000 households to the internet. We've also provided over 42,000 devices to families, especially during the pandemic, with technology hotspots temporarily, and then later giving more permanent access. The federal government also supports what's called the Affordable Connectivity Program, ACP. And ACP provides a $30 benefit each month to families who qualify to be able to access high quality, affordable internet for the first time in our nation. And what that means for some families is if they're getting on the right internet plan with a $30 discount a month, it could really mean free internet for families who are eligible. And that's the first time in history that we've been able to do that. So CETF also supports families to get access to those benefits and apply.
Charlene, quickly here, I know you're working very hard each day, but how far away from your ultimate goal are you?
Well, to date, our goal is 10 years to connect 50,000 households.
Wow.
And of course, the pandemic slowed us down a little bit at the beginning. It also accelerated in other ways, like with device access. But we've now connected 6,000 of those 50,000 households. So we definitely have
Charlene,
a long
thank you
way to
so
go.
much. We have to go to break.